It's almost eerie. The famous continuous floating lamp that is becoming a sensation. It's simply amazing. For this simple trick, you'll need a cup like these and you'll mark it with a pen in the same way I'm doing. This simple trick has become a sensation on the internet, but they never revealed how to do it. So, I decided to share this amazing secret with you. It's so simple that anyone can do it at home, as long as they take some basic precautions with the experiment. When I did it for the first time, I couldn't believe it would work, and I was amazed by the result. It was incredible. After making the markings, we'll cut it in the same way I'm doing here. Follow the same steps, and you won't go wrong with your floating cup. Next, we'll puncture the edge of the cup so that we can continue our experiment. And it will look like this, very simple. Afterward, you'll need another identical cup, so follow the same step-by-step that I'll do with great attention. With the help of a ruler, mark it in the same way. It's very simple. These markings are extremely important for everything to work perfectly. It's fantastic because with just 2 cups, you can easily make your mini floating lamp. It requires almost no resources. On the contrary, these are resources that everyone has at home and can create this wonderful piece of art. When my nephews saw the floating cup, they were astonished. They couldn't believe what they were seeing. So they were very happy with the experience. Remember that for this experiment, it is recommended that an adult handle everything. Now, with the help of a craft knife, cut the cup in these directions as I am doing here, and we are almost done with our experiment. It will look like this. Now you'll need a wire, measure it correctly, and cut it in the same way. It will look like this. Bend the wire in this way so that we can fit it at the back of the cup carefully. It will look like this, and then you need to secure it well to make it firm. Here, I will use hot glue, but you can use any type of tape that will also work. It's almost eerie. It seems difficult to do, but when I did it, I saw that it was the simplest and easiest experience I've ever had in my life. It's definitely worth occupying your mind with this. Light a candle and place it inside the cup, and there you go. The vapor will emit a bit of wind that will rise, and there will be no way out, causing the cup, which is very light, to spin automatically and continuously until the candle goes out. It's amazing.